Welcome to start class 8th geography chapter number 3, that is mineral and power resources. It is second part of the chapter. So here our first heading is Asia. In the previous video last heading was distribution of minerals. Under this heading we have seen that different type of minerals which are found in different continents. So what were the minerals? So here we will see one by one all the continent name with their minerals found. So let's start Asia. China and India have large iron deposit. China and India have large iron deposit. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. Whatever tin required is there in the world, only half is completed by the Asia continent. Continent Asia. Second, China, Malaysia, Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producer. Leading tin producers are China, Malaysia and Indonesia. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten. These all are minerals name. Asia also had deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. And now what are found in Europe? Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. For what Europe is leading producer? Iron ore. The countries with the large deposit of iron ore are in which countries of the Europe deposit of iron are much? They are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, France, etc. Mineral deposit of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in the Eastern Europe and European Russia. So this is what about the Europe. And now let's start about North America. The mineral deposit in North America are located in 3 zones. Mineral are found in North America in 3 zones. Number 1 is Canadian region. Canadian region is this. Canada is here, so this is Canadian region. Second is Appalachian region. Appalachian region is, this one is Appalachian region. In Appalachian region, iron, ore, nickel, gold, uranium, copper, etc. are found, are mined. In the Canadian Shield region, coal in the Appalachian region are also found. Western Cordilleras have vast deposit of copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. Western Cordilleras. Western Cordillera means west side of that America, nearly this mountain. So in the west side of the America, copper, lead, zinc, gold, silver are found especially. Now South America. Brazil is the largest producer of grade iron ore in the world. Largest producer of grade iron ore. Brazil is this area is Brazil. This yellow color is Brazil. This is the largest producer of grade iron ore. After that, Chile, Peru are leading producer. Chile, Peru are leading producer of copper. And then after, Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producer of tin. South America also has a large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. These all are different type of minerals. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. These all are countries of the South America. We can see this is Brazil, this yellow color is Chile, Chile, and different countries are there. And then after Africa. Now Africa. Africa is rich in the mineral resources. It's the world's largest producer of diamond, gold, platinum. These three are found much in Africa. South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire produces a large portion of the world's gold. Zimbabwe and Zaire produce large portion of the world's gold. So what are the countries? Zimbabwe and Zaire. In South Africa we will see Zimbabwe and Zaire. So this is Zaire. It is also called Congo, Republic of Congo. And after that, the other mineral found in Africa are iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. And is also found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. These all are countries in Africa. Next is Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Which resource? Which mineral? Bauxite. Aluminium. It is also called aluminium. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, and nickel. It is also rich in copper. Means what other things are also found much in Australia? So these are copper, lead, zinc, manganese, Kalgoorlie, and Coolgardie. Areas of Western Australia have the largest deposit of gold. This area, these two area which is located in the west side of Australia, they are largest deposit of gold. What are that area? And that area is Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. Our next heading is Antarctica. Geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of varieties of mineral deposits. Different type of minerals are found in Antarctica. It is also called. इस बताया गया कि ये सारी चीजें भी मौजूद है वहां पे. Some probably large, some are much in quantity, and some are less. Significant size of deposition of the coal in the Transantarctic Mountain and iron ore near the Prince Charlie Mountain. Near these two mountains, these things are located. Iron ore, gold, silver, and oil are also present in commercial quantity. In commercial quantity means it is found much. They can do business of this. They can use this for the commerce, for the trade. In short, it is much in quantity. After that, distribution in India. The mineral which are found in India, those are number one is iron. Iron has deposit of high grade iron ore. Iron has deposit of high grade iron ore. The mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Second heading is bauxite. The mineral which is found much in India, these are, second number is bauxite, aluminium. Major bauxite producing area in Jharkhand in India are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. And next heading is mica. Mica deposit mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Mica are especially found in this state. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. So who is the largest producer of mica in the world? India. It export also to other countries. Export means to send out of India. Second is copper. It is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Now manganese. Next heading. India's manganese deposit lie in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Next heading is limestone. Major limestone producing state in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. And next heading is gold. In which portion of the India, which area of the India gold is found? So that is Kolar. Kolar in Karnataka has deposit of gold in India. So which area is there where gold are found in India? That is Kolar. It is where it is located? Karnataka. These mines are among the deep. It is so far down. It is too much downside of the earth. That's why it is too expensive to take it out. Next is salt. It is obtained from the seas. You know that salt is obtained from the ocean, seas, lakes, and rocks. India is one of the world's leading producer of export of salt. India produces a lot of salt, much salt, and it export also to the other countries. Now uses of minerals. What are uses of minerals? Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for the gem are usually hard. Whatever is used for the gem, these are very hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. They are also used. They are also used in jewelry in different style by making in different form. Copper is another metal used in everything from coin to pipe. Copper is also very important, and it is also used to make coins, to make pipe. At our home we can see many times we have seen copper coin and some of the pipe which is used by the copper, which is made by the copper. Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from the quartz. That silicon which is used in the computer industries, it is obtained from the quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore. Aluminium is obtained from its ore, means there from that side. Bauxite is used in the automobile in aeroplane. Bauxite, aluminium is used in automobile and aeroplane. Aeroplanes are made by using bauxite. Why? Because it is very light in weight. It is not heavy. It is very less in weight. Bottling industries. In the bottling industries, bauxite is also used. Building and even in the kitchen cookware. At our home, in our home, we have seen in the kitchen different type of pots like cooker. So these all are made by bauxite. So now tell me any three things which is made by bauxite. So number one is cooker, second aeroplane, and third think and tell me answer in the comment.